Hey guys, it's Shanice. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome. If you're new, welcome back to another video within 12 days of Shanice. If you are new to the channel, 12 days of Shanice is 12 days of consistent videos that will be running from November 1st all the way through November 12th in honor of my birthday on November 12th. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a video within 12 days of Shanice. Let's get into the goodies that I have today. This is actually my first shoe unboxing, my first sneaker unboxing. Rihanna / Fenty and Puma has collaborated once again. The crazy part about this collab is I think when I was like 16, I had got one of the first few sneakers that she had released. It was like a orange camo creeper sneaker, and I still have them to this day. I don't wear them as often, but I have them still, and they're like the cutest sneakers ever. Since then, I haven't bought any of the sneakers from some of the other collabs, but I'm really excited because I got one of the newest pairs. So these sneakers actually released on October 17th, but on the app, it came out on the 16th. And when I seen that, I was just like, early birthday gift. And I don't know about y'all, but for me, I feel like my birthday season is, it really be starting from October, because anytime I see something cute, it's just like the excuse that pops in my head to buy it is,
it's basically my birthday. It's my birthday season. So
that was my excuse for these sneakers. So this is considered an early birthday gift for me. But let's go ahead and get this box open. If you guys haven't seen them, they come in two colorways. They come in a warm white, and then they also come in a red color. For me, I have the biggest obsession with white sneakers. I don't know what it is about them. I just love them. I think it's just the fact that they go with basically everything. But when it comes to white sneakers, they also get dirty super fast. And specifically for me, because I have the obsession with white sneakers and I wear them so much, they're gonna get dirtier at a quicker pace. So although I wanted the warm white colorway, I decided to get the red colorway instead, which I think is a great move for me to expand some of the colors of the shoes or the sneakers that I have within my collection. So let's talk about packaging. It comes in the standard Fenty black box with the Fenty and the little Puma animal on the side. I did get a 9 in women, although I'm a little nervous about this only because even though 9 is my original size, I did go back on the app yesterday and the app said the shoe is cut narrow, so order a 0.5 size up, half size up. I didn't see that. I didn't see that when I was ordering. I think I was just so like, get the shoe, get the shoe. So I missed that. So I do hope they fit. If not, I'll just exchange them for half a size bigger. But it comes with an extra laces. The laces have the gold detailing on the, I forgot what these are called, but the ends. And it's a cream shoelace. It also comes with the dust bag that says Fenty on it. I love when companies give dust bags, like help me protect my item and have it for a long time, babes. And now the moment we've both been waiting for. Let's open the sneaker. Ooh. As you guys can see, this is the red and warm white colorway. Red is my favorite color, and I just love how red makes certain outfits pop, especially if you're wearing like an all black outfit. Red also looks very good with brown, tan, beige. White, it just makes an outfit pop. As you guys can see, it does come with the cream colorway a little bit. And for the shoe tongue, it does have Puma on the outside, and it does fold over and have Fenty on the inside. Maybe I'll do a little reel or TikTok showing you guys all the way I would personally style this. When it came to promoting this sneaker, a lot of the videos that I've seen regarding like influencers, which I'm pretty sure Fenty and Puma asked the influencers to do, it was kind of like styling as a soccer mom, which I think was really cute, especially because, you know, Rihanna is in the mom phase of life. It's very sporty chic. It looks very comfortable. I'm excited to try it on, but I'm also very nervous that it's not gonna fit, and I'm gonna be really annoyed that I have to exchange it. But again, it is my fault. This is the other side of the shoe. I'm gonna go and try the sneakers on right now and see how they fit. So I just tried them on. I did the little walk around the house, kind of like the walk your parents used to make you do when you went to the store trying on new shoes. Yeah, that walk. So I did try the sneakers on. I'm actually surprised because even though they said that they recommend a half a size bigger because the shoe is really narrow, on my feet, I'm very comfortable with it just being a 9. So I think I'm going to keep the 9. But if you haven't ordered and you want to get the shoes, I do recommend still doing the half size up because it just adds like a little extra space in the sneaker itself. In terms of comfortability, the sneakers are so comfortable when you're walking on the floor, like especially like walking through the kitchen. The little pieces at the bottom of the shoe, I don't know if I can show you because I have the sneaker on, but these little pieces at the bottom of the shoe, you can feel how comfortable they are when you put your foot down on like the flat flooring of a kitchen or just a floor. It's really comfortable. And in today's age, comfortability is very much top of the chain when it comes to fashion for me. Ever since the pandemic, I think more people, when it comes to fashion, are just looking for comfortability, just being comfortable outside the house, whether it comes to sneakers, even you'll see sometimes with the clothing, the linen 2 pieces, like very comfortable, very chic, but very comfortable. And the sneaker really gives that comfortable, chic look and feel. So I really love that part. In terms of the colorway, as you guys can see, I have on tan pants. So it looks really nice in contrast with the red sneakers. And I have a mirror on, so I'm kind of looking at it against the pants. The brown, especially I have on red jewelry as well. So the brown, the tan, and the red and the gold accessories just like pair really nicely together. Like I said in the beginning, I really love red because it is that like standard pop of color against all the other colors. Colors like black, gray, green, white, brown, tan. Like it's just that girl. Red is really that girl. I love them so far. Obviously, I have to make some outfits around them. I'm not sure how I want to wear it for its first day out the house, but we will get there. I'll definitely try to do some reels showing how I personally would style the Fenty Puma collaboration with these Avanti sneakers. On a scale of 1 to 5, they are, I'll say a 4.5 just because I haven't gone outside and did the outside walk yet, but they're very comfortable. I do want to get some sneaker charms, similar to how they have back charms. I did see this like pearl bow charms that I want to get and put on the sneakers. I still have to order them, but once I order them and they get here, I'll be able to show you guys in like a vlog or something. But they are so cute, guys. I wouldn't expect anything else though with the comfortability, the cuteness, and the quality, because when it comes to Rihanna, you already know she keeps telling us I'm in my mom era. So I know with her, like her thing these days are all about comfortability, and these shoes really are comfortable and they are quality. You can tell just from the detailing, the color scheme. And I just love that they have gold detailing on the shoelaces as well, because y'all know, I don't even have to repeat myself. Y'all can see it. I'm a gold girly. So I'm really excited. I'm really excited to wear these out. So yeah, that is my unboxing of the Fenty Puma collaboration, the Avanti sneaker. I just wanted to give you guys my first impression on the sneaker itself, the quality, the comfortability, what comes in the box. Again, if you are someone who is interested in getting the sneaker, remember it does come in another colorway. It comes in warm white. The sneaker itself is $150. So I'm excited to wear this. I am going away for my birthday. Try to guess in the comment where you guys think I'm going for my birthday. So I want to take these sneakers on my trip with me. So I'm really excited just to see, you know, the outfit that I wear on its first day out the house, out of the shoebox. Make sure to stay tuned for that and all the rest of the videos within 12 days of Shanice. Literally just like that, there's a new Fenty item in this house. If you guys love this video, make sure to subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell, because 12 days of Shanice is here and you don't want to miss any of the videos coming up. But until next time, bye guys.